I'd like to share a quick demo of StrikeReady's integration with CrowdStrike's Next-Gen SIEM. So similar to our previous integration, we also collect alerts from the Next-Gen SIEM. Again, so there can be a lot of content in here because lots of security tools will send their data and alerts and metadata and telemetry into Next-Gen SIEM. Similar to what I showed for the EDR demonstration, we can also see the same thing where we are extracting data, we are enriching it with an LLM, we are relating it to different users and assets, and we can actually create an investigation. But more interesting, I think, with Next-Gen SIEM is that we can also perform ad hoc alerts on specific artifacts. So if I open federated search, what this is going to do is give me the option to go ahead and search in certain data repositories for this particular indicator. We'll run this search, and you'll see that I selected 3 different Next-Gen SIEM configurations, which are coordinated and connected in our demo lab. And we can see that this IP address has showed up in a number of different logs held by Next-Gen SIEM. So a great source of investigation and being able to use an indexed data lake like Next-Gen SIEM. Similarly, we could also come out here and do this ad hoc, but I can also use our tools to schedule automatic searches. We can also automate the search of data where the source could be something like a web page with an analysis output from a sandbox tool or an Intel article or really any other data source that you can configure to send indicators and artifacts into the StrikeReady platform. And what we'll do is connect the contents of that article, and we extracted these different artifacts from that article, and then perform a search against your different data repositories to see if there have been any particular hits or incidents or search discoveries for this particular artifact. And if we do see a hit, we will create a case and log the findings there. So if we look in this particular case, you can see a nice summary, and you can see we did find a lot of data in Next-Gen SIEM. So again, just an example of both an automated as well as an ad hoc manual search of data held by Next-Gen SIEM as a method to accelerate an investigation.
Discover how StrikeReady can help you improve your cybersecurity. Sign up for a free demo